How to DIY key via to end-to-tank CNC key cutting machine. At first, connect the Bluetooth. Connect the series number. Find the option DIY key. Find the DIY key by measuring. Select inner groove key with 4 tracks. Here, which one should we choose? If the key blank is longer than the original key, we will choose tip. But if the key blank is as long as the original key, we will choose shoulder. Here we reselect tips. Here, which one should we choose? If the key thickness is more than 2.8, we will select left installation. But if the thickness is less than 2.8, we'll select right installation. This key is 2.5, so we select right installation. Now we will measure the key size. The width is 700. The thickness is 250. Here we measure the cutting depth. The thickness in the middle is 70. Key thickness is 250. 250 minus 70 equals 180. And then 180 is divided by 2 is 90. We will do the depth 90. Input 700, 250, and 90. Click Next. Click Cuts. How many cuts should we choose? This key has 4 positions. Select for cuts. This step is to measure the distance of positions. We'll measure the first distance. It's 1420. And measure the second position. It's 1095. From the first position, input 1420. The second is 1095. And then click Automatic Calculation. And now we find the other side. Let's measure the positions on the other side. Both sides have the same distance of positions. At first, we selected for cuts. Input 1420. The second is 1095. And then click Automatic Calculation. Finally, Next. Here is wafer's width. 100 is okay. This step is cutting depth. The key has 3 steps. The first depth is 235. The second depth is 170. The third depth is 95. Here we select 3 depths. Input the size that we measured. The first step is 235. The second is 170. For the third, we just click Automatic Calculation. All finished. Click Next. This step is to adjust the shape of tip. It doesn't need to adjust. At last, you could record and save the customer name or other information. Vehicle brands, key blank numbers, stuff like that. If you cut key now, click OK or click Cancel. Now when we need to use, where can I find this key? Enter DIY key. Click My Key. Enter the key we created. Let's cut this key and try it. Install the original key. Click Continue, and then decoding the original key. Finish decoding, and then install the key blank. If it's ready, click Cut. Finished cutting. Compared with the original key. Let's try to turn the lock on. Perfect cutting.